reading lesson for February 17th. You'll need to go to Clever Benchmark Assignments, Unit 5, Advancements in Technology magazine. Use the gray arrow at the bottom to get to page 26. Click the wrench, and this time we want the highlighter. Eraser pen highlighter. You can pick a color. And I'd like you to highlight the word stereo in paragraph 10 and cassette in paragraph 11 and CD in paragraph 12. You have to get rid of the wrench to turn the page. Then grab your highlighter again. MP3 in paragraph 13. Now, you're going to look for context clues that help you know the meaning of the words that we highlighted. So reread this paragraph, and there's a really great clue, a context clue, that helps you know what stereo means. So then I'd like you to underline the words that tell what stereo means. They're very close to the word stereo. Underline the context clues. If you already underlined that yesterday in reading, then you could just choose a different color highlighter and show me the context clues with the highlighter. So highlight the clues for the word stereo. Cassettes. There's a really good context clue nearby the word cassettes that helps you know what a cassette is. So underline or highlight the context clues for cassette. CD. There are some words very close to the word CD that tells you what a CD is. MP3, there are some words nearby that help you know what an MP3 is. So these are context clues. Even if you know what they are without the context clues, I still want you to highlight or underline the context clues just to show that if there was someone else who didn't know what those words meant, you'd be able to help them see the clues. The other part of your homework for today is on Schoology. There is a page in classwork. There's a page called Reading February 17. So click on that. This is your second part of your reading lesson. Use your fingertip or a stylus to write notes under each heading. You will need to reread the phonograph and gramophone sections on pages 23 to 26 of the Unit 5 Advancements in Technology magazine on Clever Benchmark Assignments. So here's the question. How did the invention of the phonograph lead to the invention of the gramophone? So then you'll click back over to your reading magazine. You need pages 23 to 26. So the phonograph. It was an early machine that recorded sounds with a needle. So I could go write those notes on my page. Early machine. These do not have to be complete sentences. You're just taking notes. Early machine recorded sounds with a needle. It's going to be messy because it's hard to write with your finger or a stylus. Don't worry about it as long as I can read it. Early machine recorded sounds. See, mine's messy. Don't worry about it. If you'd rather have papers to write on, you could write on paper from home. You could just grab a piece of paper from home and write phonograph and gramophone at the top, and then you could write with a pencil. Early machine recorded sounds with needle. So the gramophone came first, but it led to the invention. The phonograph came first, but it led to the invention of the gramophone. What other things in this article show you that the phonograph led to the invention of the gramophone? Take a few notes on the phonograph, take a few notes on the gramophone, and then at the bottom of the page, after you take notes on both of them, at the bottom of the page, answer the question, how did the invention of the phonograph lead to the invention of the gramophone? Then click Review, Finish, Yes when you are done. That is your reading for Thursday, February 17.